What is going on, guys? Thunderbolt here. Today I'm bringing you more Pocket Edition news, and this is going to be a huge, collective video on basically all of the changes that have happened after the first beta build was released a few weeks ago. So, after beta build 1 was released, there were a multitude of bugs, and a lot of them caused major crashes, and fortunately the developers were able to fix most of them, and Tom actually compiled a list of all of these bugs that people were complaining about, and they fixed all of them for build 2. So build 2 fixed a lot of those nasty crash bugs that were present in the beta build 1. However, there was still a large number of people that had a black screen bug, so basically when you load up the game, nothing would show, and others had flickering triangles that would flash around the screen. So beta build 3 was created to fix those, and that was shortly published after beta build 2, and after beta build 3 came, obviously, beta build 4. So beta build 4 actually fixed the black screen issue because apparently it hadn't been removed from devices completely. So the 4th build fixes the black screen issue. It also fixed correct hitboxes, various spawning bugs, crashes, memory leaks, and other black lines that would be from various texture bugs. So all of that was fixed in beta build 4. However, there were 2 new tweaks that were introduced to the game in beta build 4. One of them being that glass walls now have only one side, as they do in PC. So if you look at a glass block in Pocket Edition, there is a really weird texture that goes on with it, where you can see through it, and there's all 6 sides visible, and it really lags the game and it looks ugly. Well, that's been removed, fortunately, in the 0.10 updates, so now glass walls look the same again. And not only that, but the game now limits CPU usage when the app is running in the background. So Pocket Edition is known to be a huge memory sucker. It basically just sucks up all available memory in the game, and unfortunately it causes some devices to lag, and it just doesn't function properly anymore. So with beta build 4, Pocket Edition now uses less memory when it runs in the background. Beta build 5 was published shortly after, and it fixed various crashes related to graphics, re-enabled OpenGLES 3 on Android, and it fixed some hitbox textures and whatnot. And also, sometimes the game wouldn't save changes to builds that you would make. So for example, you're building a nice statue, and you close out the game because you have to go do something, you come back later and what you just built is gone. So basically the game just doesn't save what you're doing. So beta build 5 fixed that major bug. So yeah, fortunately that saved game bug was fixed in build 5, and the developers were banking on having build 5 being the last, but they were wrong. Build 6 came around and fixed other various bugs relating to chunks and rendering. It fixed various bugs when it comes to growing crops, crashes, fixing empty chests and mob spawners found in mineshafts and strongholds. It also fixed the peaceful modes not working properly, and fog now having the correct color. They also made walking animations much faster, and they have all been tweaked for each animal in the game. Not only that, but better fog on clouds and starting farther away following the sky color was also added. So fog now looks more natural and more of a correct texture / color when you are viewing it. So the developers are hoping that build 6 would be the final build, but build 7 came around because there were other bugs that still had to be fixed, and they fixed an issue with server recovery. On Android, there was an audio issue that was fixed. Players can also sleep in servers, and a few tweaks that were made include the clouds and terrain are now tinted red during the sunset, so now everything has that red shadow cast onto it. When you're viewing a real sunset, you get that red glow on everything. They made text rendering much faster, and they added back water sounds. So like you fall into the water, you splash. That sound was removed for some reason, but then in beta build 7, that water sound was added back. So Tom had said that build 7 was uploaded to Android as well as Apple. So build 7 was hopefully going to be the last beta build, but unfortunately the optimization of text characters that they had done in build 7 apparently broke all of the text in Pocket Edition, so they submitted a build 8. And build 8 is supposed to be the final beta build, so hopefully build 8 will be the last bug fixing thing that they have to do. But they did say that build 7 was submitted to Apple. I'm assuming they submit build 8 to Apple as well. So hopefully, if we are lucky, build 8 will be the final update beta test thing for 0.10. We should be seeing Pocket Edition on both the Android and Apple app stores within 1 to 2 weeks, assuming that this is the last build. So if it is, 0.10 will be out in about a week or two. Hopefully we do see it out. If there are any more updates relating to 0.10's release, then I will be sure to let you guys know. So I'm going to call it the end of the video here, so thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this whole changelog list and overview of the 0.10 beta builds, then I do urge you to drop a like and share this video on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. It tells me that you guys really enjoy my videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you next time.